Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restart your Windows 11 computer. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to turn on your system unit and wait for your Windows 11 computer to completely load up. This initial boot up process might take a minute or two depending on your system's performance, so just give it some time to fully start and reach the desktop screen. Once your PC is ready and you can see your desktop, you're all set to begin the restart process. Direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Start menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu and reveal all the available options. This is your main hub for accessing system functions and settings in Windows 11. Now, from the Start menu that just opened, look for the Power button. You'll find it located in the lower left corner of the menu itself. Hover your cursor over this power option, and as you do, you'll notice that additional options appear at the top. These are your power management choices that give you control over how you want to handle your computer's current session. Among the options that appear, you'll see three choices: sleep, shutdown, and restart. Each of these serves a different purpose. Sleep mode keeps your work active but puts the computer in a low power state. Shutdown completely powers off your machine, and restart does exactly what we need. It closes everything and immediately boots your computer back up. This is particularly useful when you've installed updates, made system changes, or need to refresh your computer's performance. Click on the Restart option and your Windows 11 computer will begin the restart process. Your screen will go dark for a moment as the system closes all running applications and shuts down, then it will automatically boot back up to the login screen. And that's it! You've successfully restarted your Windows 11 computer using the built-in power options. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.